Hey guys, Mobile Geezer here, and I want to give you a quick video giving a conversational example of what it's like to use Windows Copilot. Now, you guys know I've been very much enamored with Gemini, but I hadn't used Copilot, which is right on my Windows PC and yours too. So tonight I used it for the first time, just asked a question, and I found out it's just as easy to use, if not easier, as Gemini and just as conversational. So I wanted to give you guys an example of what I was doing. So let's check it out.
Let's do this.
I was doing some research for some articles, and I actually came across NTLM in relation to Windows, and I wasn't quite sure what it was. So I just checked Copilot out. So let me show you what I did. So I'm just going to show you the opening screen from my Microsoft Edge, and over here on the right is the Copilot symbol. I also have it on my desktop, but if you open Edge, you're going to find it there too. So if you just click on it, then you'll see at the bottom, there's a little search area, but you can also click the microphone and get a conversation, and that's what I'm going to do.
Hey, George, Copilot on the case. What's going on?
What does NTLM stand for?
NTLM stands for Network Trust Language Manager. It's essentially a suite of Microsoft security protocols that provide authentication, integrity, and confidentiality to users. It's old school, so while it's still around, it's being replaced by newer protocols like Kerberos. What's the context? Are you dealing with some retro tech issues or just brushing up on your IT history?
No, I just ran across it while I was researching some articles.
Got it. Stumbling upon tech tidbits can lead you down some interesting rabbit holes. Anything else you discovered while digging that intrigued you?
Well, what else was it called before NTLM?
Before NTLM, it went by a simpler name, Windows NT LAN Manager. And even before that, it was LAN Manager on its own.
This goes back to my days of programming before I retired.
A programmer's nostalgia. There's always something fascinating about the evolution of tech and the journey it takes you on. Anything you particularly miss or are glad to see has changed since your programming days?
No, I'm pretty happy with the way things are at the moment. Anyway, just wanted to check out what that was. Thanks a lot.
Happy to help. Keep reveling in the progress. I'm here whenever curiosity strikes again.
So stop and scream. So just wanted to let you guys see that the Copilot is just as conversational, if not more so, as Gemini. So as always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like my content, please share the videos with friends, family, or whomever you think might be interested. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos that I upload. And please hit the thumbs up, as it does help with the algorithm.
So there's one other thing.
We all do better when we love each other.
Yeah.